Hey.
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, baby. How are you?
I'm doing good. Hee 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 hee. Cheese. Are you waiting for a photo?
Fucking picture.
I'm not taking a picture.
Oh, what are you doing?
What do you think?
I just snapped at you. Damn it. I feel cheated.
You are not winning bonus points.
Don't show that to Mama.
I will.
Because that was a joke.
You make faces when you cook.
I always make faces. It almost looks like mashed potatoes, baby.
Good, that's what I like.
I might get some dishes from my babes.
And don't make too many.
I'm not making too many. I'm just making like 10 or 15.
I noticed. What's still with the new bowl?
I want to consolidate. You got too much shit.
Do I?
In the fridge. Oh yeah, why don't you take a picture of all the food that you have now? 'Cause I bet if you don't take pictures, your friends won't believe it. That fit perfectly in there.
In that bowl you bought me?
Yeah. Whoa! There's an empty space in there now.
Are we going to take that over to Alyssa's?
Oh, we could. If we want to share it.
I don't have the money to buy more food.
Huh?